Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from CinemaSound.com. You know, a lot of us are just hanging out at home now and nothing to do. And for me and all of us here at CinemaSound, all of our big conferences have been canceled. So I'm just hanging out here in my backyard. I've got some dandelions that I'm starting to grow here. Well, they've been growing for a while. But I like to get dandelion root tea, and we should have a nice harvest here pretty soon. We had some nice rains in Southern California, and you can see those nice green hills back there. They're usually brown, but they're lovely now. So while we're at home, it's a good idea to better ourselves and get better at what we do. And I just wanted to make you all aware of the Cinema Sound course that we have called Up-Rez Your Life. It's a 30-day transformational course that just basically digs down deep and gets great results for everyone who's tried it. Everyone who's been through it loves it and is having great and powerful transformation in their money flow, their cash flow, how they're moving forward in their careers, and all kinds of things like that. So now's the time, you know. We've got not a whole lot to do here while we're hanging out waiting for the world to stop being so crazy. Lots of other courses at Cinema Sound, and I've been in touch with you because I know that you use Adobe Premiere Pro, and that's the bulk of our marketplace on Cinema Sound is Adobe Premiere Pro users. So looking forward to hearing from you soon. Please stay safe, and remember that Frank Herbert in Dune said that fear is the mind killer. So please just relax. It's all going to work out, and stay safe.
Even if you're yourself.